how do I stand out? I don't want to say competing, but let's just say competing with other attorneys for clients.
No, oh, come on. We've all been there where the client goes, hey, I've got 4 or 5 appointments with other attorneys, other law firms. I think 9 times out of 10, that's usually the case because most times people are desperate. People don't want to put all their eggs in one basket. It's the era of options on options on options on their fingertip. That's great. We acknowledge it. And how we stand out is by listening to them. 110%. The biggest way we do this is by we have to have bond and rapport with the people we're talking to. And yes, that is so hard to do when you're not in person. You're not able to shake hands. Seeing expressions only goes so far. Cameras are sometimes okay. The lighting's not that good. Well, you need to do everything in your power to make sure that you look and your background and everything is great when you're talking to someone via Zoom. And in person, same way, dress to impress. Because that bond and rapport and listening to them and having them talk is by far going to set you aside from anyone else, because studies have shown that being listened to is so close to feeling love that sometimes it can be confused. That's huge. Listening, actively listening. Now, the big thing is, how much do you listen? Because we're not therapists. There's a fine line, and that's a skill. And everyone's always constantly refining that. But the biggest thing is active listening. And what we do in S3 is the client should be talking 70% of the time. And as sales professionals, we should be talking 30% of the time.